So in this video, we're just basically going to talk about a few ways that you can agree with somebody or be agreeable, because it's always good to be agreeable, right?
Sim.
A very common way to say great, which you could have just said now.
Ótimo.
Ótimo, which
Ótimo.
it sounds like optimal in English, which also has that meaning in Portuguese, I think.
It does.
But in this case, it's like awesome, ótimo.
Ótimo.
But if you want to tone things down a little bit, then we can use está bem.
Está bem.
It's kind of a way to say okay, right?
Yeah, está bem.
You're not super enthusiastic, but you're not being negative. It's just, all right.
It's our neutral okay.
Vamos continuar?
Está bem. Ah, see what he did there.
If you want to be even more subtle, and maybe you're not totally sure, you just want to say, all right.
Pode ser. Pode ser.
Which translates to, it can be.
It can be.
It's like, fine.
I thought about it. It can be.
Pode ser. And then if you want to be really excited about something, this is a phrase that you can use in many different situations.
Boa!
Whoa. Now, would you say that that's more or less enthusiastic than ótimo?
Like boa? It's like oh my god, boa! Ótimo
Boa.
could be like, we're going to the restaurant. Ótimo.
So it's kind of like,
Ótimo.
great.
Ótimo. Yeah, I'm perfectly fine. Ótimo.
Like-
But boa? Ah, man. Boa!
Boa!
Está bem. Está bem.
Está bem.
Está bem.
Pode ser.
Ótimo. Ótimo.
Ótimo.
Ótimo.
One question we hear a lot is, how do I learn Portuguese as fast as possible? There's no way to reach fluency without putting quite a bit of time into it. But luckily, there are some shortcuts that can get you communicating right away. You can start by focusing on the most useful words and phrases, basic greetings, and polite phrases like obrigado and por favor. Next, you can focus on the most frequently used verbs. For example, ser, estar, ter, ir, and poder. These are extremely common verbs, so you'll want to get familiar with those first. Then think about which verb tenses you'll use the most. To be able to get ideas across, a beginner can get by with just learning the present and the simple past tenses. As for vocabulary, think about your goals and what you do on a daily basis, and focus on finding content related to those topics. Be ruthless about skipping over what you won't use in the near future. You can always come back to it later. By prioritizing what's the most common and most relevant, you'll be able to actually use the language more quickly and in more situations. Then over time, you can continue building on that solid foundation.